Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get recovery code in Shopify account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we will need just to go to our account settings, which would be here in the corner. We will need just to go and click on manage account, and I'm going to manage account here. They will take us from here. So here in security, we will need just to search for uh, two-step authentication, and we will find devices, etc. So simply you can have your passkey. That would be a recovery code, kind of recovery code, or you can set your own password by creating a new password or adding secondary emails, etc. And from here you will be able to have your the two-step authentication to add a layer of security, and you will be able to start using security key and being able to connect to your account. So let's set up our turn our re-authenticate. We are going to have it, and basically we will be able to add our authenticator app, or you will be able to have your 6 digits, and you can have your codes there. And now that you have set up your authenticator app method, they will give you your recovery codes. So from your recovery codes, you will need to download the codes or copy them, but make sure that no one be able to see them because they can connect to your account, because they are a one use codes. So they have only one time usage. So if they have been used, you won't be able to use them again. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.